I am G. Kumar of eastrovedica.com, and in this video we'll talk about Kerala being an e-tourism target. Well, Kerala is among the 50 must-see destinations suggested by the National Geographic magazine. Well, tourism is a global phenomenon. It's an expression of man's natural instinct to move from one place to another and to appreciate the handiwork of the great original creative artist. India, with the naturally beautiful lakes, backwaters, beaches, hills and forests, is one of the best tourist attractions in the world. If a tourist wants trekking and mountaineering, which mountains in the world can compete with the Himalayas? If he wants exposure to the sun and the sea, where else would he find thousands of miles of virgin beaches against the background of swaying coconut palms? If he wants to visit ancient ruins or sites, which country can match the monuments of the Buddhist, the Hindu, the Jain, the Sikh and the Christian faiths? If he wants to move far from the madding crowd, away from modern civilization, where else can he find such natural beauties like the Andamans with their thick rainforests and the Lakshadweep Islands with their sparkling clear waters? If he wants to study and research in Ayurveda and yoga, where else can he find Ayurvedic and yogic retreats run by bona fide and Ayurvedic doctors? Kerala and Kashmir are two outstanding states known for their intrinsic natural beauty. While Kashmir resembles the beauty of a cine actress, Kerala on the other hand resembles an aristocratic damsel. Strategically located at the southwestern tip of India, Kerala has unique geographic features which make her one of the most sought after tourist destination spots in Asia. This puny state is ravishing greenland. Excellent investment opportunities in tourism industry is bestowed by this state with a natural endowments like tranquil beaches, exhilarating hill stations, soothing backwaters, spectacular art forms, historic monuments, rejuvenating health packages, year-round festivals and exotic wildlife. The tourist is enriched by the unique experience, having tasted a strikingly beautiful land as the Lord made it, and this enchants him through